Check out these 3 excellent exercises for strengthening your knees so you can go about your daily activities without pain, popping, or pausing. And if you want to learn the secret 5-minute ritual that cuts knee pain by half, keep watching till the end. Knee extension is the first exercise. Place a thin pad beneath your knee and sit on a table or desk with your legs dangling loosely so that the knee is slightly higher than the hip. Slowly extend the knee with the foot flexed until the leg is fully extended. Hold for 3 minutes 5 seconds before slowly lowering the leg under control. Rep with the opposite leg for a total of 10 reps. You can do as many sets as you need. As you gain strength, you may increase the resistance by adding light ankle weights. This one will make your kneecaps happy. As you strengthen your quadriceps, you'll also get a great stretch in your hamstring muscles. Exercise number 2, heel and calf raises. The calf muscle is linked to the hamstring muscle and the rear of your knee in a complex way. Strengthening the calf muscle will help your hamstrings and offer more support and stability to your knee. On a 2 inches board or aerobic step, stand barefoot. Your toes and balls of your feet should be on the board, while your heels should be on the floor. Make sure your body is balanced. You can use a wall or another stabilizing surface as a support. Raise yourself as high as you can onto your toes and gently lower yourself. As required, perform 10 repetitions in 2-3 sets. Exercise number 3, wall squats. Stand against a wall with your head, back, and hips, and your feet about hip width apart. Slowly bend your knees and slide down the wall until you're almost about to sit down. Hold the posture for 5 to 10 seconds before gently rising to your feet. As needed, repeat 5 minutes 10 times more. It's important to keep your abdominal muscles engaged and not let your pelvis drop below your knees. Avoid crossing your legs over your toes. This quadriceps workout will strengthen your knee joint and increase your legs' overall stamina. Click the link in the description to discover the 5-minute ritual that relieves knee pain by half. And subscribe for daily videos helping you feel well. Thanks for watching.